Hey guys, today I'll be presenting InkSync, my 2026 Build for Good Hackathon project for the best overall category. InkSync is a collaborative whiteboard modernized with AI tools to refine, summarize, and enhance your ideas in real time. Now, we start in this landing page, cool little landing page, and we get to choose between dark and light theme. And let's just start by putting in a username and creating a room. And you get all your basic tools. Y'all are familiar with these. These are like from your MS Paint days, you know, pen tool, circle, square, whatever. These aren't new. Now I did say this was collaborative. Let me show that off. So let's go here and here. And we gotta navigate to InkSync, which is hosted on Vercel, by the way. And we have test 1. Test 2, let's join a room. We can copy the room code. Boom. And you can see if I move on player 2, player 1 can see where the cursor is. Same for player 2. If I draw something on player 1, it shows up on player 2. If I draw a pink circle on player 2, it shows up on player 1. And we also have, okay, let's minimize these mini maps. We also have this cool little chat feature. I can say, hi, and player 2 can see it, hi. We can also do what's equipped with all the Discord things. You can ping test 1. Hello. There we go. And yeah, test 1 can see it. And we can also do reactions. Oh my god. Cool, cool. That's it for collaboration. Actually, we also have this like room list thing. You can see everybody in the room. And yeah. Now let's move on to the cool features. So first, we got smart shapes. And what that is basically, so this is proprietary. I built this all myself, so there's no AI. It's all math and geometry. So what this does is, if you draw a circle, it makes it a circle. If you draw a rectangle, it makes it a rectangle. That's basically all it does. It just turns your shape into a cleaner shape, but it's pretty cool to have. Now, I did mention AI earlier. Let's go ahead and show off the AI tools. First and foremost, let's go all the way over here, away from everything, and we can right-click to bring up this context menu, click Draw with AI. We have two options. We can type straight into the box, and this would be text to drawing, or we can do voice drawing. And so let's do something cool. I don't know. Draw a pig. And it transcribes with Grok Whisper. And then we feed the text through a pipeline into Gemini 2.5 Flash. And that's what actually draws the picture. And let's see what it gives us here. Come on, come on. Please have enough tokens. And again, all these AI models can be further optimized, made better. But look at that. Isn't that a cute little pig? And we can use the minimap here. Perfect time to showcase it. You can zoom in, zoom out, reset the zoom. You can also use it to quickly get back to your other stuff. All right. Now the other AI tool. Let's give us some more room. Let's just draw a little pizza over here. Oops. Control Z to undo. Boom. We'll add some pepperonis. Boom. Isn't that a yummy looking pizza? I don't know. We'll add a text here. Make it white. Pizza. And then we can point to this. Text pepperoni. Now let's do another arrow. Just point to the middle of the pizza, call it cheese. Who doesn't like cheese, right? And what we can do with this is we can select everything, right click, and we have this summarize thing. Okay. Let's see what it gives us. Simple pizza diagram. A little bit of a description. You can copy the text. You can hide it. And the cool thing about this is no matter where you go, it will stay on the edge. So you can double click and quickly get back to it and hide it, and you can close it when you're done. Now, that's cool and all. Let's talk a little bit about the tech stack. So we have a browser. You connect straight to the front end. It is a web app. So it's using Next.js 15. And we have kind of three components. The React app, which is the canvas, the toolbar, the minimap, and the replay system. I'll show you all that in a second. We also have API routes, which is what calls all the AI stuff, the Grok Whisper for the voice transcription, and Gemini 2.5 Flash for generating drawings and summaries. And then we have our shape engine, which is the smart tools, the smart shapes. And then we're connected to a WebSocket, and then we're connected to our backend, which is hosted on Render. It's just a Node.js server that handles all our socket logic. I typed 3 O's for rooms here, but it's what handles all the rooms. It's what makes sure the cursors are all in the same place and the chats are linking and stuff like that. And then finally, we have no database. So all states are ephemeral in memory, meaning as soon as you close this, nobody can have access to it. So it's private. I can't see what you're doing. No one can. Now, what if you want to save your progress? We have this handy dandy little export thing. You can export it as a lot of things, PNG, SVG, but most importantly, JSON. Let's just go ahead and do that. Save. And then we can import it in on another one. Import JSON. Boom. It'll ask you if you want to replace all the elements. Sure. And we can use our minimap to go back to wherever it is. And yeah, there we go. Imported. And then finally, we have our replay system. Replay system's pretty cool. It just shows you the process from the start of the canvas to the end of the canvas. If you play it, it's just me making this diagram. We can speed through it, 8 times speed it. Nobody wants to watch me make this, but yeah. It also has an export. You can export it as a video. I'm not going to press that. Actually, I can. Let's just do it. And we can save it as a video. We can also press this button to go back by 1 step, press this button, go forward, go to the beginning, go to the end. We have the scroll thing, yada, yada, yada. We can also hide the UI, so if you just want to watch it play through with none of that business, you can also do that. And that's about the end. If y'all thought this was an amazing and potentially useful project, come to DevPost. Link will be in the description below. Give it a like and check it out. Bye.